Hi, my name is Aaron Banfield. I'm the director for the Sport and Social Development Youth Camp here at the Institute. To give you some background information on myself, I was born right here in Orlando, Florida. I've been in and around sports my entire life. As I've grown professionally and personally, I've become more and more passionate about giving back to my community, specifically the youth in my community. All my needs and wants were always met. I had a place to go after school, whether that was home or sports practice. I never had to worry about a thing. As a result of that, I just assumed that everybody lived the same type of lifestyle I did. I'm going to share some stats with you right now that are pretty troubling and actually paint a different picture than what I thought was going on. Right now in Central Florida, we have 73,000 youth that are considered homeless. Of those 73,000, 1 in 10 is actually considered an unaccompanied minor, which means they do not have a parent or a legal guardian taking care of them. Finally, 1 in 4 of those students can actually pass a elementary level course such as history, science, math, English. That is where the Sport for Social Development Youth Camp comes in. In 2017, we partnered with Orange County Public Schools Academic Center for Excellence, and that acronym is ACE. It was created to serve their under-resourced middle school students. The mission of the camp is to provide valuable life skills and career awareness. It's a 3-day camp. It features workshops on important life skills, including conflict resolution, critical decision making, and cyberbullying. Local professionals with various careers and educational backgrounds provide career awareness discussions for the campers, offering tips about their career paths. The campers also receive sports instructions in various sports each year, and those sports are actually taught by somebody who played that sport at the Division I level or higher. Our camp actually has 3 goals: empower campers with life skills to solve everyday problems, create awareness and inspire campers to pursue non-traditional career paths, and provide campers with sports skills instructions. Again, this is going to be our 3rd year doing this. Pay attention to our website and our social media handles because we will have a lot of exciting information on the camp coming your way very soon. Thank you.